Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce to everyone an extremely powerful and valuable business laptop model in the 2025 price range, the Dell Latitude 5550, 15000 series, 15.6-inch Full HD screen, a perfect choice for work, study and AI programming. Impressive power comes from the Intel Ultra 5 135U chip, 12 cores, outstanding performance, even stronger than the i7-1355U. Combined with 32GB DDR5 RAM, you will handle all heavy and light tasks smoothly, without lag. 1TB SSD hard drive helps the machine boot up quickly, retrieve data super fast. Slim, light, durable design, standard for business people, extremely suitable for office workers, managers, programmers, and technology students. The device is also equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring stable and fast connection speed. Especially the Thunderbolt 4 port, supporting extremely fast data transmission, 4K image output and fast charging via USB-C. The keyboard is backlit, supporting night work. The 15.6-inch Full HD screen provides sharp images, wide viewing angles, true colors, very suitable for multitasking, online learning, or entertainment. The device comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, a smooth new interface, optimal security, very suitable for businesses and professional users. If you are looking for a powerful, modern, durable laptop, the Dell Latitude 5550 is a great companion. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to update more quality laptop models. Please click here. Thank you.